to Megahertz Models. I'm very, very happy about this because it was something that I wanted to do for the longest, and now I'm going to do it. Before I jump the gun, let me introduce myself. I'm Joey Megahertz. A lot of people don't know what I look like. Now you guys get to see me because I'm always behind the camera. Megahertz Production is still a company. We branched off to Megahertz Models. We have Megahertz Music, first artist right. You need to watch out for him. He's nasty, he's fire, he's everything, he's cool, he's calm, he's slick. That's right. But back to the models, because that's what we're talking about right now. This is exclusive, this is VIP access. I'm gonna give you guys your instant pass to beauty. Megahertz Models. Follow me. Let's go.
She says, I never really seems to care that nobody is ever there. Nobody is ever there.
So you got a chance to look at one of the girls from Megahertz Models. There's many more, and we're looking for more as well. Don't forget Megahertz Music. We got Rod Hizzy, the first artist. Megahertz Productions, the mother of the brother, which is going to do all the films. So we're still looking for girls, we're looking for talent, we're always looking, we're always working. Get at me, Joey Megahertz, I'm out.